Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel. We know how to create project in AX 2012. There are two type of projects available in AX 2012. One is shared project, second is private project. First I will show how to create a simple project in AX 2012. You can see these are the icons available in AX. Here you will see the project icon is there. You can see here projects, private and shared. When you create any new project, then just right click on new project, then you can keep property. Let's say I will put name like first project. After creating projects, if you want to create any new tables and there are a lot of tables, then first you need to create a group. Here group name you can give tables, then you can create new table here. Same as you can create group for farms, like that. You can create group for security, for data dictionary, for macros, classes, and in that group you can create new farm, new class, new tables, and you can create group for queries, jobs, menus, service group, all those elements. First you need to create group in the project, then you need to create elements under the group. After creating, you can see here red symbol is coming. When red symbol coming, it means your things are not saved. Just right click for save here, then click press here, and press here, then it's saved to your project. But as you see, you create group, then elements, so it will take time on creating each. If there are 10 projects you need to create with different name, then it will consume lot of time. So I will show you one tips where you can create project very easily with all nodes. So first I will delete this project. Just go to UOT classes. Here I have one class which I downloaded from internet, Google. It's easily available. All these codes you don't need to remember. You can download XPO. I will show you the links on the internet, and you easily can import that XPO. To import XPO, nothing you need to do, just click here, select your project, then like this, and then click OK. Then it will come here. Then I am giving project name first project. Then here you can choose as a private or shared, so let's keep it shared. And how many elements you want for your group, like you need to include table group, views group, farm group, and in SSRS reports, whatever you want you can select. You want to show some menus, And in security node you want to privilege duty roles. If there is a workflow, then you can take workflow. And service group queries, you can take jobs, etc. Whatever is required for your project, you can take it and just simply create. Click on OK button. You can take classes. So just see, these are elements automatically created. You can create new menu items, you can create new form. So you have saved at least 10-20 minutes by using that class. Now I will show you where, if you see here shared project, first project is showing. So I don't need it, it's only for your knowledge purpose to create shared project very quickly in Axapta. I tried just this sort of code to create shared project in AX 2012, and I found this link. Just click here and just see, this XPO is available here. Share project, create project, just you need to download XPO. You can see whatever things are in this XPO. Just click on download. So here download folder, it's showing that project. If you want to see anything in code, you can see, you can try this XPO in your environment and you can create shared project very easily, quickly in your system. So I hope this is quick tips you got from these clips. You can apply these tips and give me a feedback whether you got success or not. In comment you can give the feedbacks. And one important things, to get daily updates, to get more knowledge, to become expert technically, functionally, you need to be with our channel. So you can subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this clip.